Levi Ackerman's story in Attack on Titan is a fascinating and complex narrative that intertwines with the tumultuous events of the fictional world created by Hajime Isayama. Levi, whose full name is Levi Ackerman, is one of the series' most iconic and beloved characters, known for his combat prowess, secretive nature, and unbreakable moral code. To fully understand her story, it is crucial to explore her background, her relationships, and her contributions to the overall plot. Levi was born in the underground, a miserable and impoverished part of the city of Trost, within the world of Attack on Titan. His childhood was marked by poverty, violence, and the fight for survival in a hostile environment dominated by crime and corruption. From an early age, Levi displayed exceptional combat skills and a fierce determination to overcome the adversities he faced. Levi's life took a turn when he was recruited by Commander Erwin Smith to join the Survey Corps, a military organization dedicated to combating the Titans and discovering the truth behind their origin and the history of the world. Levi proved to be an exceptionally talented recruit, exceeding expectations with his ability to skillfully maneuver on the battlefield and to neutralize the Titans with precision and efficiency. Throughout his time in the Survey Corps, Levi established a close relationship with Erwin Smith and other key members of the team, such as Hang Zoe and Mikasa Ackerman. His natural leadership, combined with his relentless work ethic and ability to make difficult decisions at critical moments, made him a central figure in the fight against the Titans and humanity's quest for freedom. However, Levi's path was not without tragedy and loss. He experienced the deaths of numerous comrades and close friends in battle, constantly facing the emotional weight of leading those who trusted him into uncertainty and danger. This emotional burden shaped his character and led him to face increasing challenges with unwavering determination. One of the most shocking moments in Levi's story is his confrontation with the Beast Titan, a formidable adversary with exceptional abilities. In this epic battle, Levi demonstrated his bravery and tactical skill by directly facing the most powerful enemy he had encountered so far, putting his own life at risk in order to protect his companions and fulfill his duty. In addition to his skills on the battlefield, Levi is also noted for his sense of honor and his deep commitment to his ideals. Throughout the series, he faces difficult ethical and moral dilemmas, but always remains true to his principles and the mission of protecting humanity from the rule of the Titans. Ultimately, Levi Ackerman's story in Attack on Titan is one of sacrifice, courage, and unwavering determination in the fight against oppression and adversity. His legacy will endure as one of the most formidable and admired heroes within the universe of the series, leaving an indelible mark on the history of humanity within that fictional world.